Lily, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these scrubbies. I use 5.5 millimeters hook. This yarn suitable for 5 and 5 millimeters hook. This is cotton yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot, and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I make 6 chains in here. Insert your hook into first chain. We have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make a ring, stitch first round in this ring. In here add 1 chain. I show slowly. Go to this ring, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1, 2 more chains. This is first stitch. Yarn over, go to this ring, insert your hook, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet. We make 2 double crochet, repeat 3, 4. Hide this yarn under stitch. I should take like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, 17. I make 17 stitches in here with first chain. We have 18 stitches in total in first row. Go to top of first chains. In here we have chains. Insert your hook into top of these chains like this. Take these yarns on your hook, pull up this yarn, slip stitch, make first row, make 1, 2 chains in first stitch, yarn over, go to same stitch in this hole, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 double crochet. After this double crochet, go to same stitch in here, make 1 more double crochet. In here we make 1, 2 double crochet with first chains. We have 3 stitches in total in first stitch. Go to next stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, go to same stitch, 3 double crochet. We make 3 double crochet in every stitch. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. In next stitch repeat 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In next stitch 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and repeat like this. Make 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 for every stitch in here. I made until here. Go to I showing to last stitch, 1 2 3. In last stitch repeat 1 2 3. In here I have 54 stitches in total. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook into top of first chains, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet. With these chains we have 2 stitches in first stitch. Go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet. We make 2 stitches in each stitch. We have 1 double crochet in here with first chains, 2 stitches in total. Go to next stitch, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2, and repeat like this for this row. Row 3. I made this row I show in last stitch. In this row we have 108 stitches in total. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook, slip stitch, make chains, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet in same stitch, 2 double crochet in same stitch, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. With first chains we have 4 stitches in here, 1 2 3 4. Go to next stitch, 1 2 3 4. In next stitch, 1 2 3 4, and repeat for this row. I made this stitch I showing last stitch, 1 2 3 4. Go to top of first chains in here, pull up yarn, slip stitch I show. In here make chains. Chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 20 chains in here. Go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through a slip stitch, cut this yarn and hide yarn under a stitch. I show